Hi children, today we are going to see Vallinam, Millinam, Idainam, the division of மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். Now in the board, what you are seeing? Yes, மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். Can you tell one time? Ik, ing, ich, inj, it, in, it, ind, ip, im, I, ir, il, iv, il, itr, in. Very good children. Now can you tell how many மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள்? Total letters? Yes, totally 18 letters. Very good children. Now in this மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள், 3 parts is there. One is Vallinam, then another one is Mellinam, then another one is Idainam. Now we can go to the explanation. What you are seeing in the board? Yes, elephant. Elephant is very hard animal, no? It's a very big one. So that only we are related with the Vallinam letter. Because Vallinam letter is Valiya Osai Udayavai. Valiya Osai means hard sound letter. Okay? In this மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள், what are all the letters? Very hard sound. That letter we will tell as a Vallinam எழுத்துக்கள். That what are all the letters? Ik, ich, it, ip, itr. These letters, when you are telling, your stomach will go inside. Right? Like that we will tell very hard manner. So these letters we will call Vallinam எழுத்துக்கள். If it is tough to ik, ich, it for remaining mean, you can read like this. You can take out the dots and you can read like this. Kasada tabara vallinam. Kasada tabara vallinam. Like that you can read. But in மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் division only vallinam. So vallina எழுத்துக்கள் means ik, ich, it, ip, itr. Like that only. For that easy manner means we can read like this. Okay. Now you tell how many vallina எழுத்துக்கள் total? Yes, very good. 6 letters. Now what you can see in the board? Yes, rabbit. Rabbit is very soft animal, no? Yes, you know. Like that. Very soft manner. What are all the letters we are telling? We will tell Mellinam. That means மெல்லிய ஓசை உடையவை. Okay? மெல்லிய ஓசை உடையவை. மெல்லிய means very soft sound. Okay? That only மெல்லிய ஓசை. What are all the letters? Ing, inj, in, ind, im, in. These letters we will tell very soft manner. It will finish with the nose itself. You know that, no? So that only we will tell these letters as a Mellinam letter. You can read these letters also very easy manner. Just take out the dots and Nyayana Namana Mellinam. Nyayana Namana Mellinam. Like that you can read. But Mellina எழுத்துக்கள் mean ing, inj, in, ind, im, in. Because மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் division only Mellinam. So with dotted only you have to write. For reading purpose we can read like this. Nyayana Namana Mellinam. Okay. Now you can tell Mellina எழுத்துக்கள் மொத்தம் எத்தனை? Yes, very good children. 6 letters. Now what you can see in the board? Deer. Yes. Deer is a soft animal or hard animal? Soft animal. Then horn is there. Then it is hard animal? No. Its behavior is very soft. So it is a hard animal or soft animal? So we can take as a medium animal? Yes. Same like that. No hard letter and no soft letter. It's a medium type of letter. So இடைப்பட்ட ஓசை உடையவை. இடைப்பட்ட means medium sound of letter. No hard, no soft. Medium sound of letters. That only we will tell as a இடையினம். What are all the letters? I, ir, il, iv, il, these letters of இடையினம் எழுத்துக்கள். If we want to read very easiest manner, means as usual you can take out the dots and you can read எரல வழல இடையினம். எரல வழல இடையினம். Like that you can read. But please remember, இடையினம் is the மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் part. So e, ir, il, iv, il, il, like a dotted letters only, இடையினம் எழுத்துக்கள். Now can you tell how many இடையினம் எழுத்துக்கள் is there? Yes, 6 letters. Because total மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் is a, I'm sorry, just a minute. Total மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் is 18 letters. In this 18 letter, 3 parts is there. Okay? வல்லினம், மெல்லினம், இடையினம். In this, we can get it. Every part, we will get 6 letters. Very good, children. Now, I am going to tell same these மெய்யெழுத்துக்களின் வகைகள். That means the type of மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் we can read very easiest manner. Now, that means what you have to do now. First, you have to learn மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் in the correct order. Ik, ing, ich, inj, it, in, it, ind, ip, im, e, ir, ill, iv, ill, ill, it, in. Like that correct manner you have to know first. Then you can divide very easily. Now you can see the first letter is ik. Leave out the second letter. Jump the third letter. Ich. Then leave one letter. Jump next letter. It. Leave one letter. Jump next letter. It. Then next. Ip. Then directly jump to the last before letter. It. Okay. These 6 letters we will call Vallinam. It's very easy now. Same like that. What are the letters you left now? See that letter. Ing. Inj, in, ind, im. Then directly you have to jump to in. Yes, these 6 letters will be called மெல்லினம். Easy no? So now you can see in between the 6 letters we will left together no? That letter we will called as a இடையினம். Okay, so this manner if you are reading means it is very easy to you. No need to see kasada tapara, nyayana namana, yarala vadala, like that also. But no ma'am, I don't know the letters in order. I will read like this only means yes, you can read kasada tapara vallinam, nyayana namana mellinam, yarala vadala idainam. But when you are writing in the exam, if anyone asks me what are the vallinam எழுத்துக்கள் means you have to tell இக்கு, இச்சு, இட்டு, இத்து, இப்பு, இற்று. மெல்லின எழுத்துக்கள் இங்கு, இஞ்சு, இன்னு, இந்து, இம்மு, இன்னு. இடையின எழுத்துக்கள் இய்யு, இரு, இல்லு, இவ்வு, இழு, இல். Okay, because மெய்யெழுத்துக்களின் வகைகள், மெய்யெழுத்துக்களுடைய வகைகள் only these வல்லினம், மெல்லினம், இடையினம் எழுத்துக்கள். Okay, I hope you can understand clearly. Thank you children. இது உங்களுக்கு மட்டுமில்ல, உங்களோட நண்பர்கள் பலருக்கும் யூஸ் ஆகும். So please subscribe our channel, like, comment and share பண்ணுங்க. தமிழ் மொழியல்ல, அது நம் அடையாளம். கற்போம், மகிழ்வோம்.